Yes. You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back, ladies and gentle G's. You don't know, you're rocking with Negusimara, and today I have a special guest, the one and only Bobbysox876. Up.
Big up all of my bad friend them up to you.
You
Big up
don't know the
Imara
thing,
Nation too. You understand?
Up. One Nation and Imara
Big
Nation.
shout out for you, Negus even have me up on the platform. Is me. I say
Man.
Negus is a real youth. I understand. People from the mud who watch this and thing, want to support Negus, like want to support me because I tell us the man energy genuine. And this link up was inevitable. This did happen.
Facts.
You understand? I tell us we put in some work together to get today, and it was so easy.
Yeah.
To do it. You understand? There was no ego involved.
Facts.
There was no my better on you, my big on you, or whatever the case may be.
Facts.
You understand? Bring your ideas, me bring mine. All right, oh this sound, oh that sound, and that's how it's supposed to be.
That's how it's supposed to go, brother.
You cannot just have things and hold it hostage like so. You understand? We can reach far if we go together.
Yeah.
Deaf.
You don't know the thing, go. Yo, as we say, One Nation and Imara Nation. Negusimara, Bobbysox. Listen, don't forget to click the link in the bio. Tropic Isle. You understand? Ladies and gentlemen, go get your hair products. Apply my code, Negus10 for your discount. You understand? You want your hair for grow back. Mama, you can't find the edges. Allow Tropic Isle Living to help you find them. You understand?
Man,
Click the link.
If your head top look like Lebron or Tory Lane, get the Imara, get the
Tropic Isle.
Tropic Isle.
Yeah, get the Tropic Isle. The link is in the description. Don't be ashamed.
But I think might need a Tropic Isle, you know.
For what?
Because if you can look in that corner, so I kind of lose. You see it on the side.
Okay. And don't worry yourself, man. It blending, man. It blending with the skin tone. You can't really
Right.
see it. You see me?
All them perks are being black, you know.
All right. See there?
Exactly.
Me now, me I got blood clot doom. Me I got doom. Cause when time you ready for go ball, you know, everybody gonna see it, you know. But you don't know, say Tropic Isle have my back still, you understand?
All right.
Yes, sir.
Fully.
Make sure you click the link as I say apply Negus10 for your discount.
Negus
Shipping
10.
over $50. Domestic orders over $50. Shipping is free, you understand? But go jump right tonight, you know what I mean? Yo, we talk about early development.
Yes.
You left Jamaica when you were 15.
Right.
You followed up America. You know, different school, you know, different nationalities. It was a melting pot.
Exactly.
It's a big culture shock.
Very big. Massive.
So what are certain things that you went through, like school, being an immigrant in America? Like, how was the experience? Like, because as I say, it's a big culture shock. How was that? How was it adjusting in America?
So like, we definitely, because like as Jamaican, whether or not we notice it, we have some very aggressive like delivery, demeanor, things like them.
Yeah, true.
So certain things would have to check myself on because to me it might not come no way. Because
Yeah.
talk is me talk to you like son of one.
Yeah.
But a lot of people over here say them start pull back like so now because them think say me I get upset. Them feel like say me I go attack them and all things like them.
Yeah.
We have to start like that was a very big change for me.
Okay.
Because just so me talk, I'm very loud.
Yeah.
You understand?
And them not understand that.
Yes.
Yeah, because I always hear, why are Jamaicans so angry? You guys shout when you talk.
Yes. Yeah,
We're walking exclamation mark, mama.
Yeah, man.
Walking exclamation mark, mama.
Exactly.
Yeah. So the people them say, yo, you're aggressive.
Yeah, man. I have to learn to tone down certain things. And yeah, forget more open-minded. You cannot just stuck by your way and say your way is the right way, understand?
True.
Before that, so we learn say there's a lot of other ways to do things.
Facts.
You not have to do it, but guess what? You cannot kill a man or kill a woman because them choose to do it the way they.
Care to share like certain things that you had to like tone down or certain things you had to adjust to?
Like for example, like certain joke would have run. Like me and Negus today, so I say, yo, Negus. But I wouldn't mind I go there so I can't kill a Negus.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Where you be mean?
Oh my God.
Why would you say that? Don't jinx me.
Go see the principal. You understand? Like, I mean, I said, so for what?
Trouble.
I said, Spence, you just tell her, I say, you wish she get AIDS and her parents dead or whatever. I said, yes, that's
funny.
I said, what? How is that funny?
Yeah, that's evil.
Because we grow rough, so we get
True.
Like my cousin them tease me right around the clock some serious things. You wouldn't believe say them rate me.
True.
You understand?
That is us.
So we grow like that now. You're forward in a softer environment.
everything you do, you like me not even did know what the fuck bullying was till me start to fight.
Bro, I swear, brother. I the same thing with me, brother. When people say, oh, you're a bully and blah, blah, blah. Bro, when we come up and say, yo, them so soft.
Yeah.
Like, bro, my nickname in the high school was Dumbo. My nickname in the high school was Dumbo. But I'm going to tell you, say, oh, fly when man.
Yeah, man. Got you, Dumbo.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Because I'm the maga, you know. I know I'm growing on my ears, you know, because my cheeks, them full out and them thing there, you know. I'm the maga, my face maga, so my ears, them project, brother. So my ears, them just cock off, so. Yo, Dumbo.
Yeah.
As soon as I step through the gate, yo,
Yeah,
Dumbo.
Come in. Come
Yeah,
in, man.
in America. That's mean. Don't say that. That's mean.
Well, why would you say that?
So the dog that for tone down him whole personality.
Yes, man. Yes, man. You have to tone on certain
Bro,
things.
that must have been annoying, ain't it?
Exactly. And one of the biggest one, right? Before the foreign realize say it's not okay if you beat up woman. Because, well, not beat up, discipline.
Yeah.
Not for them guys like discipline. It's the best.
Okay.
You can't discipline them like you discipline them a yard.
Can't even shake them, give them a one shake.
Brother, you can't even drape on them good because you know it's just in the first instance when you grab a shirt like so fast because they're not expecting. Like,
Yeah.
You grab them and just you wrap them and wrap back like so.
Yeah,
Negus.
yeah.
It's amazing. You can't do that.
Yeah, man.
Assault.
You have to keep your hand to yourself, man.
Assault.
Keep your hands to yourself. Ladies, keep your hands to yourself too. Everybody just keep them hand to themselves.
Exactly.
You understand?
It also go for the man them to Negus say that yard and you the man fight. It's me say if you beat up a man or whatever, I own not gonna deal with it.
Yeah.
Me now go look some man I go blood clot press charges. What the fuck press charges mean? What that mean?
I know, right?
So
Yeah,
no
man.
police I go look for me just because I'm thumping them out.
I know. Crazy.
Or media have to go pay you X amount of money or go to jail.
Yeah.
So me can't just thump them out and go about business.
No, sir. It's trouble.
Father
Trouble.
God.
So,
Yes.
yeah, man, America is a totally different place, man. And, you know, when in Rome, I'm not going to do everything the Roman them do still. I'm not going to do it.
Right.
Certain things you can't get me for do. I want to know what I talk about, but I'm not going to say it. You understand? But when in Rome, I adjust.
No eating of the buff.
I adjust to the degree where I'm comfortable and I'm operating in the full extent of the law. You understand? I'm not breaking no law. You know, I just some live my life. You see me? But we see all of that and them thing there, and me pre your content and realize the G in the army. I went and join the military.
You know, funny, you know, to this day, right? Two things I ever said for this. For one, a lot of people feel like some only use the military clothes as a prop.
Okay.
They believe some is actually a US soldier.
Wow.
Yeah, I understand them skill. I some love dress up.
Yeah, that's crazy, ain't it?
Some love. And a lot of people still think say, yo, he's a JDF soldier.
Oh. Bro, but the thing say a JDF, bro. Cause I watch one of the video them, no, I know one video. I think I put up on post. I talk about the JDF full. I wanna now take the body until December or some shit like that. Bro, but straight think of Jamaica any day, you know? But straight, bro, I swear, you have a real fucker, man, brother.
Negus.
Man said the JDF full. You made a video of it too, ain't it?
Yeah.
Man said the JDF full, brother.
Negus, because it get on my nerves, Negus, because people keep on me have the American flag on my shoulder, on my right shoulder. It's amazing. And people still are asking about the JDF. So guess what? All right.
Yeah.
The best answer I can give them. All right.
You're full.
Yes, the JDF full. We're not take no more applicants till November 2nd, 2025. You understand?
Trouble.
Leave me alone.
Trouble.
Leave, yeah, man. Low JDF, man.
Yes,
See me, I
me.
say. So they are foreign for about like almost 4 to 5 years. Joined the army January 2020.
Okay.
Me I say. End up go basic training on one thing now, and I also know is me have to adjust again because it's different from the civilian life.
Yeah.
Very different. For one, there was no female at the infantry basic training.
Damn.
So, brother. Negus. Yeah, tell us that Negus, but I trained about 200 and something man.
Damn.
Right? I mean, I tell us at least 85% of them are white man.
Damn.
You understand? And I know we don't really use stereotype, but most white people typically nasty, brother.
Damn.
You understand? I go there, I see some of my fishiest shit, the shrimsiest shit ever seen in my life.
Damn.
Man, I play wrestling naked, Negus.
Damn.
Me talk about day them born naked. Negus, the man them stay so. And you have the beer. The beer is probably like almost, we could say 40 foot, like walk, or 100 foot, is the man say, walk, right? And them a walk out the bathroom. The man them take off them clothes from down a feet the other end. They put the towel on their shoulder and then walk naked through the whole life. Everybody go to the bathroom.
Instead of the rapid towel, one them when I'm walking on Negus. You understand? Negus, them laugh at me and say me weird because my beard with me underpants on. I say, so much man there when I saw me now blood clot beard naked.
Yeah, I don't blame you, bruh.
Spencer's weird.
I don't blame you. Nah, they can talk about weird all they want. You see, we come from a different culture where, bro, all we have in a brother, we're poor in a brother. The only thing we have in our masculinity in a brother.
Exactly.
Them did okay and have the privilege to express themselves, whatever way them want to express it. This is America, but we're poor. The only thing we own at Jamaica is your masculinity.
Right.
So we have to preserve that in every way, shape, and form. I mean, no man try to shame me because I try to preserve my masculinity. I mean, come over here, sir.
Exactly.
And move some type of way where you want to move. I'm not going to disrespect nobody and go on away and say certain things out of place and anything. But you have to understand me just like how you want to be understood.
Yes.
And so I say, brother, so they talk about your weird car.
Me a beard na me underpants.
Yeah, I don't blame you, bro. Because enough of them are one of them prips here,
Negus.
Oh my God, Spence.
Man did I kiss man and I talk about this is not shrimsy. And me I look at him and say, yo, Father God, get me out of this place.
Yeah, bro. Hey, I believe you. Cause we used to work with a team one time, a couple years ago, I think in like 2017, we did their Ohio. Zane, and as I say, we travel all over the world, over America, and do what we do. But we did go to the gym one night. We did go on 24-hour gym, and then gym have one sauna. We in a gym, bro. Everybody just burn off some steam, and you know what I mean? Just sweat out a little bit, cause rough day. I just wanted the dog them get everybody attention in the sauna, brother. And when get your attention, him look down. Say man take out one of them balls, them brother. Man take out one of them balls, them, look down on the bars. Everybody see what look down on the man bars. But I just get up and come out of the stand, brother.
He got no way I talk about.
The man them just run some streams up joke, brother.
Brother.
And feel like everybody gonna find it funny. Nah,
Exactly.
bro, that's wrong bang, bro.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna skin my teeth with it and then me deal with that certain way here. So I'm intolerant and them things.
Yeah.
You too. You never tell it, bro. You disrespect me, bro.
You're rude.
I didn't want to see your balls, bro.
You understand?
That's wrong bang, bro.
Brother.
I don't like that.
Like, this is some of the weirdest things, brother. I mean, I say, yo. And then think about it now. I the same people I go see for 6 months straight.
Word.
You understand? Until I graduate, I go see all of them people, yeah, brother. And at the environment I have to live in. Enough of them live with them parents up to a while.
Yeah.
Till the day them leave. So them don't know if to take care of themselves.
Word.
Understand? Like, I see some man nasty. Like, they can't even know. They don't even know if you use a washing machine. So me I say, like, I say, what? Yeah, 23.
Real kids, them went time we are scripts and we are 13.
Scripts.
We are
Hang on.
you see me?
Hang on.
You didn't even know if you use a washing machine, man, Jenna.
I got a river with the bucket in my head. Like,
You see me?
But
But I lie still, me never gone a river still, but I understand, I know people who got them like, and them life not easy, brother.
Yeah.
Bro, that's why we can go anywhere and survive, as Jamaican, because all our lives we had to do and live the hardest ways, bro.
Exactly.
So when time come America, we see them a complain about certain things, brother. It's like, what you complain about?
Rotted.
Bro, when we go to America, brother, me never have no feelings for homeless people,
I love it.
My kind of condition still, you see me give someone a $2 here and there and them something
not
like that. But me never have no feelings for homeless people, bro. Let me say, yo, what you got? Worse if you're white. I'm like, man, if you don't get up and go get a job, bro, you out here ball. And you know what too? Them always have one dog. Bro, you're homeless and you're taking care of a dog? You don't care about yourself, my general.
Negus, but some of them sometimes with dogs, so don't go to sign like that.
Trouble.
Negus.
My word. I'm madness, brother.
You ever up on the train and you see them come through, you stay so.
Me never take train.
You never take a train?
I never take train.
What?
I don't live in a city, brother. I live way out of one part, brother, in a country.
No eye contact when I make it homeless people.
Yeah.
Sir, start work faster.
I don't blame you, brother. New York different still,
Brother.
I see sometimes some madman come in New York, people them come out and go in the next way in there. Everybody get up out of them seat and go in the next. What section?
car.
Yeah, next car. I'm like, damn, homeless people they get no respect in New York, brother. Damn.
Time to hard feel sorry for people, Negus.
For real.
Fight for one, brother. Nah,
Hey, I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you.
Bix.
I don't blame you, bro. So the G got some man join the military, Zane, and you had to adjust to a whole heap of shrimps up things.
Yeah.
What else did you have to adjust it? Because I know as we, you know, brother, we're unruly, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Jamaican, we not really to play by a certain rule. So you joining the military now is like, it's another shock. That's another culture shock right there.
Yeah.
Because you have them type of man, they will scream up in your face and them thing there.
All the time.
Swing orders and push-ups and...
All the time. But
damn.
what you go on the Negus, you see? My father, although we don't really have a father and son relationship, him do everything I'm supposed to do as a father.
Word.
My father was very strict. Me I talk about kick me down.
Damn.
My father beat me with cutlass. I said, my father, one time he begged me some cup of sugar and water because I work right around the corner. I mixed sugar and water nice. And I said, well, cool. Sun hot. I said, refreshing.
Yeah.
Beer things. Stay so now and carry the cup to get the man. But my name, I cover it up. I walk and I talk with my cousin. I say, cha over cup with a thinking mouth, boy. And throw back the water in my face. The sugar water in my face. I made it big cinema because sugar water and cool. I could drink it. Because I say, no one let me drink it. You understand? I'm going to make a new cup of sugar water for myself.
Damn, bruh.
So I saw me grow with that, niggas. I couldn't even go a ball field with my cousin them and things. I say, stay in the yard, rate the yard. I say, get beaten, shit like them. There. So when time and my father them cuss woolly pa bad off of me, bark off of me, box me up, things like them. There.
Damn.
So when me going to the military now, and man them start barking off in my face now, my father always a bark off of me.
Okay.
I say,
so you're prepared.
I see white boy in my ball. Why would you say that? Because them try to break your mentality.
Yeah.
Something like it's me. I say your parents don't love you or whatever. It's me. I say
damn.
Whatever. Your wife's cheating on you. Something. Them I go try getting your brain.
Wow.
But guess I'm find out, niggas. They can say all of them want to say, but they can't put their hand by you.
Okay.
Say me if you tell me you can't touch me.
Word.
Rascal. Talk.
Yeah.
Oh, this is funny. It's funny.
Yeah.
Do push-ups.
Okay. Can't touch you.
Can't touch me.
Hey,
I don't make nice.
For the back in our blood clot days, man, and get some fly kick though. I tell you that. You watch out some old school training video, brother. Man, them all lay down on your while you do all push up on them,
yeah, man.
Brother. Man, them, but you know, don't know. Say a whole heap of people, you know, get soft. No one whole heap of thing. People start complaining on them something, you know. So
exactly.
You know, it's but you know, so yeah. You basically was prepared.
Yeah, man.
For them back off of there and them something there.
Me militant long before the military.
Humbuckler. Mud boss. Strikes again.
Fully,
you understand? The dog say him did militant before the military.
I'm telling you,
you understand? I feel like enough of we as Jamaican youth, we're militant before everything. That's how we go out in our life, brother. And we're not really too skin teeth and move like we are clown, brother. You see me?
I
mean, we're gonna laugh at them things, but when it comes to certain things, we're not skin teeth.
Yeah, man.
We're serious about the hustle. We're serious about our life. That's why you will never catch somebody who do certain drugs, bro.
Exactly.
Because as far as we go, we don't say you don't smoke again. You don't smoke. I don't smoke again. But enough of it. As far as we go, I just weed.
Yeah, man.
You will never catch certain Jamaican man a pop Mali. You do have them little young little tilly bops, little eat that boy, them but them a pop Mali and I take ecstasy pill and woo, pop the Mali. I'm straight now I do cocaine. You're mad, brother. You're mad.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. We're not crazy, brother.
I understand.
We value our life, so brother, we not fuck with that, we not know.
You see, think Negus, most of we as Caribbean people,
yeah,
who far with America, we have sense, we have a memory of which far we are come from.
Yes.
And if you remember where I come from and come a foreign, come to fuckery, hey, not even care enough to get to washing to go back a yard. Hungry for kill your blood clot. And them slow poison dead there. You suffer. You understand? Because you remember Negus.
Yeah.
You see all like people where you used to their own, we want the opportunity and can't get one.
Can't get it.
And you come a foreign.
You come a foreign, you turn thief, you turn criminal, you turn gunman.
Brother.
You do all sorts of wrong. And you make it even bad for the people them who there.
Exactly.
Negus. Because, I'm sorry for what I said.
Is it me say? I'm telling you why I don't feel bad for none of them.
Yeah.
My grandfather, big up Rupert Spence.
Big up
myself,
Rupert.
Man. My grandfather can't read to this day.
Word.
The man come a find on a farm work badness. So me I say. And the dog, the road.
Yeah.
Me I say, straight note, married straight note. And the man cannot read to this day, no. The man take up my grandmother.
Damn.
He take up my father. He take up me. He take up my auntie. He take up my auntie's son. That's 5.
Damn.
And he cannot read. If you have ambition, you can go anywhere.
Anywhere.
You can go as far as out there. So.
True.
The man cannot read to this day.
Damn, bro.
The man go through it, but guess what? I know why am I do it.
Yeah.
Someone want to follow with that straight with sense and all kind of things.
Damn.
I end up right back a yard. Me nah sorry for none of you know.
Damn.
You can't even wipe my window. Come on and throw back dirt by my window after wipe it.
Bro, like being that individual, brother, you know see you rate him down to the ground when him walk pan, brother.
Big up Rupert, man. Yes, man.
Because you have enough of our family members, them with bright sparks, and them wouldn't even look back for try help you in a somewhere or help you elevate. Because of them alone for reach, which part of them reach.
That me a taboo.
Them alone deserve it.
For them well.
Brother, I'm gonna fuck with some of my family, you know, brother.
He goes, enough. Hey, he goes, this one that me little me couldn't say certain things when me want to say. He goes, because bluff.
Nobody can do nothing to you now.
Hey, he goes, any beat me I get right now, I fight and lose. If I lose, me I go start shoot.
You see me?
You understand? He goes, me say,
fuck
some
with
people,
them
don't want help you because them want to be the big dogs. So
they want to be the big dog. Bro, I hate that.
Then why you come to them?
I hate that.
Yo, niggas, you know me, the one that say, me could go over there, so go do this and that. Is me, I say, well, I this job and then rub it in the like, rub it.
Yeah.
I'm looking shoot at this man. Where I say, man?
Run, don't walk.
Yeah.
Make sure you come back by XYZ.
Def.
Them love for them in the position of power. And you see people like that, when we come for realize, brother, you see them type of people there, bro, them broken on the inside, bro. Right. Them lack confidence. That's why them deal with people certain type of ways because them find joy from them type of thing.
Exactly. Auntie, the shoes they put on guys for how long? They get the shoes, you can't get it. Why? Come on, wear it yet. Oh. All right.
Yeah.
But a bad man.
Life.
So with that, so whenever say yo sucks. Oh, you not call me.
Brother.
Fuck here.
Brother. Man, I fuck with enough of them, brother. Enough of them are dirty, brother. Dirty. So them are family and you know them deal with it any type of way. Them say anything when them want to say.
Exactly.
But as Sask said, nobody can beat you now. I'm at the age right now when we look upon somebody with twice my age and tell them to go fuck off. That I tell you.
Respect Kushel.
Me this auntie, me this uncle. Me not this none of my grandparents them do. Me this auntie, me this uncle, me this cousin. I go suck on the mother if me not like you now, don't like me. Fuck off. Me not begging on nothing.
Alright.
Me not want nothing from you now.
Alright.
Me not need nothing from you now. No. Cause there were times when me did need things and me still never ask you know. I did not.
Exactly.
Somebody at the age right now, you this me, I this work.
It's only right.
Yeah, man. Some of them too bright, brother. I know what to. The way them transform when them come America, brother, is like a totally different them.
Hey.
Bro, when them come America, me bumbo clot. When them come America, brother, is a brand new them, bro. A brand new them. Them attitude is disgusting, brother. But them that Jamaica, everybody humble and nice. But they come America now, you turn dirty dog.
He goes, Mr. Family member change because they get a job outside the community. And I look at Wakesfield community where we live.
You gotta be kidding me, bro.
Get a job out my towns.
And them just switch.
Yeah. Well, guess what? Now, when I see me fly out now, he goes, them start see me on Instagram. Them start see everybody I walk up, play my video, them at LMA more. Bobbysox I born up the road.
Wow.
Yo, what going? I'm going your mother.
Dirty dog, them, man.
You understand? Niggas, like one time I used to, when I ignore people on WhatsApp, I used to post a status and do not at all, come I hide.
Yeah. No. Status a post.
30 seconds ago.
Wait, sir. Wait, though. You read the message one more time?
Niggas, what the fuck open them, man?
That's blue. You don't think
Everybody verified, niggas.
Fuck blue tick. Yeah, man. I want to fuck with them, man. We read the message, man.
Yeah, man.
I want to fuck with you.
Oh, you know something I ignore you.
I know how to. We as the younger one, them too, the younger generation. You know them quick for talk, but no, the manners don't respect the elders. You don't have respect for the younger generation. Exactly. You don't have no respect for me because you feel like I don't need your respect because you're older than me. Nah, how about you go fuck yourself?
Yeah.
I don't give a damn about none of them.
None at all.
Me this auntie, me this uncle, me this cousin. And if none of my siblings them get out of line to me, this them too.
Hey.
Me not ramp with people, brother.
Niggas, you have to put on your foot sometime.
Yeah, man.
You think I see him niggas this one time I'm 12 and
you
13.
You see, strangers, bro. We might not push the same energy in as strangers or friends, bro. Because it's not the same. You see, when it's family or violator, bro, it different, bro. I can look upon a stranger or ex-friend and just say, oh, bro, you not even worth my energy, dog. But somebody when I grew up poor with, especially if you grew up fucked up together, and you move like you're top at the top now, you go and suck your man there here, sir. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. I like them some of the bro. Because right now you tell me, say me less than you. Mm-hmm. You understand? I'm not like that.
None at all.
Yeah, kiss my ass. Fuck out of here. Yeah, we don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. We have Bobbysox in the house. Another segment down. Lit. And if you want to learn more or hear Bobby talk some more, make sure you tune in to the next segment. You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Up move.